Welcome back, writers. Last time we were together, we learned how to use patterns to write a story. You did a great job with patterns, so today we're going to write even more. Today we are going to be observing or looking closely at something to be able to add details to our picture in our words. So your target is I can observe closely to add details to my picture and my words. Writers, today you will need a leaf. I went out and got one from outside the classroom door. You might also want your letter chart and your word wall, and you will need some new writing paper. So, I went out and got this leaf, and I am going to observe. Observe means look closely. I'm going to observe my leaf, and I'm going to think of 3 things that I could say about this leaf. So let's see. I want to look at the front. I want to look at the back. I want to feel it. Might look closely at this corner or hold it a little closer to my face. All right. Here are 3 things that I could tell you about this leaf. The leaf is big. The leaf is green. The leaf is bumpy. So I looked at the shape, the color, the size. I looked at all those different things to be able to tell you 3 things about my leaf. So now I'm going to use those observations to make my book. So writers, what I did is I did a quick sketch of my leaf. I labeled the stem just because I thought people might be interested to know that. And then I thought about what things did I notice about my leaf? The leaf is big. The leaf is green. The leaf is bumpy. I drew my leaf and I wrote even more words today. The leaf is big. I wrote a whole sentence about my leaf. Next, I could turn my page. I would be ready to do a sketch, and I could write, the leaf is green. So on this page, I'd want to make sure that I colored my leaf green. Then I could go to my last page. That is where I would write my last observation. The leaf is bumpy, and I would make sure I had my sketch there. So writers, today I want you to observe your leaf. Look at everything you see and think of 3 things to say about your leaf. Draw your picture, write your words. You've got your letter chart and your word wall to help you. When you get done with page 1, try to do page 2. And if you have time, go to page 3. If you run out of time to write on all 3 pages, make sure you at least tell your grown-up the 3 things you observed about your leaf. When you're done, don't forget to take the quiz and answer my question. I can't wait to hear what you tell me about your leaf. Have fun.